Hello Supriya, you requested me to explain how to represent square root of 9.3 on the number line. Okay, so I'm explaining now again. So listen carefully and what I have given based on this representing square root of like 9.3, 5.7 like that on the number line. So how to construct that, how to represent on the number line, you will be understanding now. So listen, and even all the children, you can listen again this video again. Okay children, so now I'm starting this one. Okay, listen carefully. Now this is representing 9.3 and the square root of 9.3 on the number line. So what you have to do for this, a number line means you can draw a number line. Okay, not okay, you can see this. Okay, I think you can see. Yes, now first we have to draw a number line. So I'm drawing now longer line. First you have to draw a big line. Okay, then put arrow marks for the sides. Then no need to write numbers like a 0, 1, 2, 3 this side and -1, 2, all these things, no need. What you have to do is you have to measure 9.3 children. Measure 9.3. See, I am doing here. Just observe here. Mark 0 and this side 9.3. Okay children, so now I have marked 9.3. Then call that as those points as A and B. Okay children, then with the help of the compass, you all know how to construct perpendicular line for a line segment. Okay, we got now line segment AB. Yes or no? From this, that means on the AB, how to construct perpendicular line. See, you can see here more than half you have to take. Yes or no children? Take more than half. Cut an arc here. Okay, similarly from, that means down also cut an arc. Okay, similarly with the same measurement, cut another arc here like this. Then take scale, the help of the scale, mark these 2 points. Okay, these 2 points X and this is Y. Now draw this one. Okay, now we got one middle point. Yes or no children? On AB we got one middle point. Call that point as M children. Okay, with now with M as center, and AM as radius. Okay, AM as radius, or else you can measure this side also. MB as radius. See children, you can see here AM as radius or MB as radius. You can take and then draw a semicircle for AB. Draw a semicircle for AB. Okay children, now what you have to do from B. Okay, from B, what I am saying, observe carefully. From B, come back, that means measure 1 centimeter from right to left, 1 centimeter from right to left, like this. Okay, now so A, B is there, no? B point is the back of that, call that point as B, C. Okay, C. Then what you have to do, with the help of the protractor, you have to draw perpendicular line. Okay, the help of the protractor, take protractor on C. Okay, point C. Okay, C as center and baseline. What is the baseline? AB as a baseline. Okay, center. Mark 90 degree. Mark 90 degree. Okay, children, mark 90 degree and take scale. With the help of the scale where you have marked 90 degree, there and then till where you have to join, till this arc, okay, till the arc. Call that, see the line C, on C we have drawn a line that is a perpendicular line, okay, perpendicular line. Call that point which touches the semicircle, okay, which touches the semicircle, call that point as D. CD, it is a perpendicular line, okay children. Now measure, after this measure CD like this, and then C as center and CD as radius. Draw an arc which comes out, okay, draw an arc like this, and which touches the, which cuts or which touches the number line, children, okay children. Now see here, this point you call that point as E, and this E gives you what? Square root of the value of square root of 3, okay children. This is how you have to represent on the number line, okay. This is how you have to represent 9.3 on the number line. Similarly, all the decimal numbers, square root of all decimal numbers can be represented on the number line in this way, children, okay children. Hope you understood. So Priya, once again if you have any doubt, you can ask her personally. See Supriya, she asked me personally, so I am teaching so that once again all the students can hear, can see this video and understand and do the homework, okay. Do the homework and send me personally, okay children. Okay, bye children.